it's me, John, and Levi here, and we're gonna play. And today we're gonna play pigs, and my brother's not a pro, but I don't even know. Me and him are pros too, and you know why? And you know why my hair is wet.
So you take a bath and drink.
Yeah, and I smell like roast beef.
Roast beef.
Yeah, I think it was my dog, so
yeah.
I guess we're going to have to play pigs now, so we're going to be on back. So, let me just...
Be back in a minute, guys.
Back at the pigs. I'm bored.
What? We just have the slap bracelet.
Yeah, a slap bracelet.
And a big jewel and a stick. A jewel, some other jewels, and a slap bracelet. What are we going to do with it?
I don't know. Anyways, sorry guys. King Pig is talking, and you know, I just skipped a whole adventure in Iceberg Turning Evil, so that's what it is. And I'll make like 5 videos today because we haven't made for a long time, so we're gonna make 5 videos today.
And Creeper is here, Enderman is here, Skeleton is in here.
Yeah, and sorry when we skipped our Christmas thing.
Yeah, we did not make a Christmas pig video.
Yeah, so whatever. Anyways.
Yeah, maybe we can make it.
Anyways, we're gonna have to be back on track. Okay. Anyways, Pig, I'm bored.
Me too. Ouch. At least the jewels are not dead, and the Enderman is going to sleep. Every single time.
Okay.
He goes to sleep.
Okay. So, guys, today we're gonna have to do Plants versus Zombies on, but it's birds versus pigs. So we're gonna do that.
Hey, Enderman is good. Okay, I'm gonna draw all it, guys.
Pencil. That pencil blows people up.
Yeah.
So there, the birds. There, Daddy.
What's on over here somewhere?
Dad, you should be here.
I'm not over there. I'm going at the shop. Sorry, son.
Okay, so
I can still hear you.
Okay, well, anyways, we're gonna have to go and fight.
Yeah.
Whatever. I'm just gonna go.
Hey, brother, come on, let's get the card.
Okay. Okay, guys, so
Brother,
I don't really know how to edit things. And so, okay. Wait. Okay, one thing. Hey guys, tell Joe how to edit and put the other part in it and skip everything that he needs to do. It's yes. Anyways, guys, so I'm putting spit, and Joe's putting spit, so he's wiping it. And so,
now we got a Pokemon.
So, anyways, I'm gonna go. And so,
hey, brother,
so
come on, we have a
go
Pokemon. Pokemon.
Well, anyways, we're done. There's the arms. Okay. Hey guys.
What?
I think we need to go fight now until 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
You know why? Because the video's gonna end for 15 minutes.
Yeah, so we got to kill them really quick.
So first, science pig.
Okay. What I gotta do? I don't have no weapons.
Jump. Just jump.
I can't jump that high.
Okay, then.
Ah! I got a splash. Okay. There you got a... No, I am.
Okay.
He's dead. Yeah, you got a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Ouch! I'm dead. Pokemon.
Okay. Good. Okay, this guy. Okay, so I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna be back, guys.
Yeah. No, what
I'm
is?
back. I'm coming back.
Okay, Leon. Warning. Sometimes they always talk on Joed and Levi. So weird. Whatever. Stupid pig. Stupid pig. Hey friend, how's it going? Oh man, I didn't do any much. Ugh, you're so stupid. Okay, skeleton. I don't like this. Whatever. Oh no. Oh, this guy's so difficult. Paper coop. Yeah.